Are we doing
record? Yeah, I did manage to attempt like 2 questions and it seems okay so far, even though the differentiation is quite tough.
Meaning it's you have to deal with implicit, is it?
Yeah.
Wonderful. That's expected. That's good practice. Good practice.
So yeah, it's hard, but just not used to it lah. Then I can solve it after a while, I guess.
Meaning you did the let me see the question. Let me see the question that you did.
What?
Let me see the question that you did. I'm curious about the differentiation.
I'm gonna put it on page 19 now.
Right. Okay. Okay. A Jamboard, let it be. Oh, today's Jamboard is good. Keiko, the MYE one, is it?
Yes.
Wonderful. Page 90.
The question 2 differentiation is quite tough because I have to simplify also.
Loading not very fast. Okay. Yeah. Still best to rely on your video. And let me see the the question. Wonderful. Okay, first one and second one, is it?
Yeah, I've attempted them already. So.
Okay, so because I still cannot see your working, right? So for your first one, did you sorry. Yeah, okay. So for the first verb, okay. Now I can see. Wonderful. Might as well copy it. Wait, the first one is fine. The second one, part 2 is different, is it? Sorry.
Part 2?
Oh, part 2 is different. No, I mean part 2. Sorry, I was looking at part 2. Sorry. Could you move down? I'm still looking at part 2. As in, show me the working of part 2. Question 1, part 2. Thank you. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, they ask you there and you show it. And what you did is, okay lah. But one thing to note that this is now the third differentiation. And usually at third differentiation, things become messy. Usually.
Yeah.
And some, on very rare cases, question will ask you for like 6 differentiation. Very rare, yeah. So this is to tell you what's going on. When they ask for 6th, they are almost certainly relying on some pattern, because I don't think they will be relying on brute force already. Like again, from second to third is very messy lah, right? Very messy. But imagine third to fourth, fourth to fifth, fifth to sixth lah. That's probably not what the question wants you to do, as in to be messier and messier and messier, right? Okay, but in this case, from second to third, that's just one messy line. So second is fine, right? Third is one messy, and I think we can still handle it normally lah.
Yeah, because don't need to simplify or just calculate.
Correct. But if you differentiate one more time, like human errors creep in like a messy.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll wait until that happens. So no worries for now. No. Any question for question 2?
No. Wait, right. Question 2.
Yeah. Are you saying that this is third differentiation, right?
Yes, the third one is already very bad.
Yeah. This is not. This is what we expect, right? So from second to third, things become messy. Now let's see. Now, is there anything to do, right? Okay. Yankin, I can see you, yeah? What's my video? Can you see me?
Oh, yeah, I can.
Okay. So I'm guessing that you're not done with part 3, with question 2, right?
I'm done already, but I didn't get the answer for the last one, though I'm quite close. Yeah.
No, for the messy, like, can I see the third differentiation one more time? Sorry. Okay.
This is the final answer.
I'm sorry. This is what?
This is the final
answer
for the third differentiation.
All right. Now, is there any answer key for this part first?
Oh yeah, I got it.
Oh, you got, okay. That is correct. But let me see for a while. It takes very long to get from the start to the end. Let me see for a while. Okay, I lost your focus totally. Like it's super blurry right now.
Yeah. Wait.
If cannot, then you have to yeah. Nice. Okay, good. Okay, let me see. Is there anything to do? Okay.
And I only got this answer because I knew that the power here will be 3 instead of 4, so I knew that I had to cancel it somehow. But if I didn't know, right, then I would have expanded everything. which is
terrible to do in exam. But let me just see whether this is never mind. Okay, I'm gonna see that later. Okay, I'm gonna copy first. So that's I'm having a very practical concern now. Of course, you are also, meaning like, is there a better way to do this? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll keep it for later. Now let's see the next working that you have trouble with.
It's not okay lah. I just never get the correct one.
I mean, what is it supposed to be? So part 3, right?
A negative x cubed over 3.
Sounds like there's an error somewhere. So in the end, 2-1 is okay lah. 2 part 1.
2-1 is okay.
I'm gonna check for a while. Okay, would you kindly continue first? Right, don't wait for me. Yeah? I'm gonna check for a while.
You have a picture of it already?
Yeah, I have copy already. Right. Okay. Even these few questions are already representative of. So you're already somewhere here.
Yeah, the first question is already exam question.
Yeah, it's a serious question. So it's, never mind, it's only 2 questions. It is a very good practice, right? Okay, never mind that. So I'll just check that. Now let me get some updates from Yankin. Right. Wait, my update to Yankin. So Yankin, I almost got the exam paper lah. To in case your TYS still have no answer key. Right. Almost got it. So I have to give it to you later. Yes.
Okay. So I didn't manage to do the other paper.
No worries for now.
But I do still have questions because I still did, like,
correct,
topical revision.
Correct. Now I want a very quick update in terms of your what happens per day lah. So you're writing things down in your notebook, right? Before you go to the question, can I see that one?
Yeah.
Your videos.
So yesterday I did
No, instead of saying, can you show us? Sorry, can you show us? Quicker. Show me the video and show me the notebook first, because I need to see the Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday first.
sure. Haven't written for today yet, but I'll just write it down quickly.
Okay, sure. You mean you have written for Wednesday, is it?
Yeah, but it's like, just the main stuff. There's some of the school stuff I can write as well, but
yeah, you do need to write what you revise in school, because that's important. No details, you judge your own details, but no need to be so detailed. As long as you know, oh yeah, I did do this or I did do that. As long as it can be seen, it's fine. So you do that first. Okay. Then I will check. Okay, go something.
The values for N and A are correct according to answer key.
N and A. Your A is correct. Minus 1. Your N is 2. 2. All right. Okay, there's no constant. All right. There's only one square also. Okay, fine. Yeah, okay, all right. So there should be no problem. Okay, that's weird. That should be a very easy thing to do, right? So you're just dealing with the cube, right? The cube comes
I guess.
This one, great. And then it comes from that's very weird. The A is minus.
Oh wait,
I think this guy is wrong. I think this guy is wrong.
the third term, right?
Yeah, the x square one. The third term was wrong. Yeah, because there's no A there. Yeah.
Yeah, I only added that afterwards. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. I think we got it. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Of course, human error, of course, careless, but that means you understand the concept. So that is a good win. Yeah. Oh, Yankin, I'm so sorry. I owe you one structure, isn't it? My goodness, right? Let me copy that. Let me copy that to our WhatsApp. Sorry, that one I forget. Yeah, that one I forget. I only remember the exam thing. Right, so I remember. So you have a video later, that would be nice. Yeah.
Yep. I do still have questions for Chem. But
yeah, no, please do. But show me the. Tuesday is 0.
Right.
Okay, so let me see one more time. So that's Sunday, right? Sunday is 31st, right?
Yep.
So
And
on
then-
Sunday, you have just a minute. So this is the first time I see it clearly. Yeah, sorry. So physics review of COE and GP homework plus our tuition, right?
Yeah.
That's something. Yeah, because there is no preparation. Okay, that's still normal. Okay, then you have your physics. Good. Then you have your chem paper 2, which is yours. Then what actually happened in the school on Monday? How do I see that? Oh, that's the 1 quarter math, 1 quarter GP, 1 quarter history. Yeah. That's what happened in school, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Then on Tuesday, you have organic revision, and that's what's happening by your own, your self-study.
Yeah, my self-study.
Organic revision, what does that mean? Sorry, you cannot be revising everything.
I just did the organic topic.
What do you mean? The whole topic?
Not the entire thing, but it was like integrated questions. So there was intro and I guess halogen alkene.
I'm sorry. When you say integrated question, what does I'm sorry. When you say that, then you say the topics. What does that mean? Sorry.
It's like different parts of organic in one question.
So it's not integrated question, it's still topical.
I
in
guess,
the end.
yeah.
No, it's still
But it's integrated,
It's part of integrated, but you are still doing it per topic. You're not doing the whole thing.
Oh no, I don't.
No. So it's topical. So they're still topical. They break it down very nicely for you, so to speak. Meaning to say, you know exactly what's going to happen. Oh, this is going to be what? Intro, and it's going to be what? Halogen.
I mean,
don't write.
They didn't tell me, but I knew.
How come they didn't tell you? Because they break it down? How come?
No, because it's just a question. It's just question bank. I just put some questions and did them.
I don't get it. Could you see? Could you show me? Could you show me that? Could you show me the questions?
Yeah.
Right. So this is the revision package, right?
Yep.
And then they don't identify this as topical.
I mean, they give a whole list of they do say it's topical, but
Could you show me? Could you show me the first page? Could you show me how this is structured? The page, the package. Could you show me how the package is structured?
Then give you this. I guess they do say at the bottom, but I didn't see it. Some of them don't.
Or rather, show me the first page. Show me the first page, the left page, the left one. Okay, thank you. Question. So, and then they order it, but I don't think the order means anything, isn't it?
No, it doesn't.
Okay, again, show me the first question, and then show me the. Okay, nice, very nice. Okay, very nice. Go down, very nice. Go down, down. You mean you did all this? 1, 2, yeah, nice. 3, 4, is it?
Yeah,
4,
pretty much.
And then show me, and then show me the next few.
Okay, I didn't get very far, but certainly not until 5.
Not until 5, but that's fine. No, quick, show me the left. Show me the left one. And then that's it.
There's still more. Yeah. It goes on for.
Right. No,
it goes on for like 30 more, 15 more pages.
Wonderful. Right. So now, what you again show me your note again. So this is what you did by yourself, right?
Yeah.
So what happened in school? School is the bulk of your time.
Let's see. I did.
Show me. Have you written? I cannot see anything. Okay. All right.
Right. So I did a physics practical. So
I
did a physics practical in school.
You mean the real practical, like 3 hours kind of practical? Wonderful.
Yeah. 2 hours, but
2 hours.
2 hours, but it's the experiment only.
Wonderful.
And then we went through vectors basics for math.
What does that mean? Going through?
It's length of projection, then cross product.
He goes through the concept again, or
no. We do questions. Yeah.
Okay. How does it feel? Just checking.
I mean, I know where my gap is, and I've known it for a while now.
Mhm.
This only help to reinforce that I have the gap there.
All right. So you have some knowledge about the gap lah, because you're not going to repeat what you can, lo. Preferably not, yeah. Preferably not. You gotta fix the gap lah when you're doing it. Okay, wonderful. So I understand what's happening on Tuesday, and then there's tuition, right? Okay, then Wednesday. Let me see.
Oh, this was Wednesday. Like 2nd August was Wednesday.
Wait. 31st July is Sunday.
Yep. Wait, is it? Oh yeah, it was. So
Sunday, Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Oh, today is Thursday. Today is 4th
Today-
August. Okay,
Yes,
sorry.
today is 4th
Shift one up.
Just change the date, please. Just change the date. So who is 4th, who is 3rd, and what's the gap here?
The gap
Yeah.
was on the gap was Tuesday because I didn't write on Tuesday at all.
Then write something on Tuesday on the space above, lah, right?
Okay, let me check what I do on Tuesday.
Yeah. Do take account.
The day goes by too quickly.
If it is useful, then that's good. If it is not, then at least we are aware, lah. At least we are aware of what's going on.
Let me just check. Sorry.
So until prelim, you have normal school.
Yeah, pretty much. Actually, 2 days before prelim starts, then there's review and consult day. So not exactly accurate. Let's see. We did a. What was it? It was a Tuesday. Was a math lesson. Math lesson. We did. Did we do?
I'll leave it to you first, yeah. So
Yeah.
Keiko, any problems so far?
I still got -4 third.
And you have your A. The A is -1. And it'll be minus. Now it's minus and minus. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. So it's -1 lah. The first guy is -1. The N is, yeah. So it's 2/2, right? 2/2, so -1. And then the second guy is -1/3 lah, which is correct. That's -4/3. The answer is supposed to be
-x³/3.
all right. How about question 3? Just
See,
checking.
okay. So far, wait, I
Okay.
haven't checked the answer.
Sure. No worries. If it is okay, then it's okay lah. Then we're learning wonder.
Oh yeah. Oh, we finished correlation on Tuesday. Oh my God.
Okay, good. That will be paper 2 lah, right? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Still good. So do write
the
that down lah.
curriculum for math is over. That's why we started vectors. Oh my God. Okay. So
Yeah.
my bad.
So good to know. It's good to take account. Good, wonderful.
Yeah.
Right.
So math is correlation. Chem
good.
was the revision package. We went to chem bonding, not KC, KA, KB, and KKB and chemic and like KC. Yeah.
Okay, you mean the question, right?
Yeah, question.
So do write it down lah. Do write it down. Right. And what did you get out of it lah? Right now you're starting to take some detail notes. Then you say, okay, that's my gap. Vector is my gap. Did you get anything for KA, KEB, and K those K stuff lah? Until whatever they discuss lah, right?
I know I have a gap in KSP. From that day because I couldn't do the KSP question. It was.
So that we don't lose track, yeah. So don't lose track. Would you please write it down?
Yeah.
Feel free to tell me, but please write it down also, because that means your school is having their own tempo. We have to keep track lah. We have to keep track. Okay. Do tell me, but please write down for yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, I lost your video, so later when you're ready.
Oh, my bad.
I'm also checking the exam I'm supposed to give you. Still on hold. Not yet.
So that was I do my own time on the second. The second was Tuesday. Right. I'll
Okay.
try to take better notes next time, but
Right. No, as long as you can understand it for now, that's already a good start. Yeah. So let me see your gap. Yeah. So, oh, you end up having a Tuesday note. So it was history homework. Okay, right. And then at school, that's you're saying that at school, what happened at school?
Camp bonding
Tuesday?
review, KCK, review, and the
Oh, okay.
correlation
See, oh, right. Okay. Now
and
I
the
see.
final correlation tutorial.
Wonderful. All right, that's Tuesday. Okay. Then on Tuesday, I would like to add a gap, right? So, okay, this is my understanding of your oxidation. Your electrochem gap.
Yep.
Right. So, I'm proposing a sentence to you. See whether you like it or not. So, I think your gap is you don't see okay. Like this. I'm proposing the solution to your gap. See electrochem as oxidation and reduction, as in see electrochem as redox, the first thing. Redox. And you don't that, I'm very confused by that, but that's a very easy gap to fix if you do that. See electrochem as redox. Now, do you like that sentence? Do you like that sentence?
I could do that.
Then please note that. Please note that because that's the valuable thing. That's it. So please take note on that.
You want me to write that down?
Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes,
okay.
Please. Yes, please. Shift to the right a bit, then your Wednesday is a revision of organic, right? And then homework. Oh, that's your, okay. That's yours. And then the Wednesday at school is which one?
It was this one, physics, British
Oh,
and
so
Vector
it's now
Basic.
on the same line. It's not on the same line. Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Then today it was electrochem. Oh, you did more electrochem.
I tried more electrochem to be more specific. I did some questions and I referred to the notes heavily, which
Wonderful.
was,
Right.
I guess, pretty good.
Okay. Okay. So and on school vectors, it was okay, like plain, obviously. You have another physics practical and another chemistry practical.
Yeah, that was today.
Oh, that was not bad. I mean, if you get something out of today's school, that's very good. I like it. I like it.
Hmm.
I like it. All right. So noted on everything. Understand. Is the question you are asking today electrochem?
One is it's electrochem.
Okay, let me see that question first. Well, I'll take a copy of this. Wonderful. Yeah, I like it. I like it. No, keep taking notes. Yeah, keep taking notes.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, beside resty, beside resty, keep taking notes. Good.
I have one electrochem, one organic.
Right,
Which one do I go with first?
Up to you, but we don't have much time, right? We
Then
don't
I'll
have much
do-
time, so you prioritize.
Yeah, okay, then I'll do electrochem first.
Okay, so let me copy.
So this is part 3.
Show me. Don't block. Thank you. Okay, gotta copy. Thank you. Okay. All right. So do tell me what is your problem.
I assume I have to quote E0 values for this question, but I'm not sure how they'll help me answer it.
Okay, and let me see exist for a while. What does exist mean in this question? Okay, the first sentence doesn't mean much. What's going on here? So, sure. I mean, all he's saying is that iron exists in many oxidation. But then again, we already know that. Then the most common one, you start the second and third one with that, and then forming complexes. That's nice. Thank you for telling me that. But now he switches to aqueous. He's talking about aqueous. The point is aqueous. I think that's the point. Let me think. Did we just shift to complexes? No.
We could. This is the TM is inside as well.
Yeah.
But then I wouldn't know what the difference is between our iodine and the chloride if the Fe just becomes FeH2O6. Because the oxidation state of the iron is still the same.
No, for iron iodide, just saying, right? For iron iodide, why did you write it down as FeI2? Is it 2 or 3? Sorry.
Oh, that's 3. Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. No. Because okay. Then it's not confusing. What's going on? Apologies. Is this the only question?
There is another one, but it is not easy.
You mean this part? In this question, only part 3?
Oh, yeah. I think I can do part 4
No.
and part.
Sounds
Yeah.
Good. Sounds good. Right. Just show me the next question first, and then you can do something else, right? Okay.
This would be
you do
one part 2, but
I'm so
there
sorry.
is-
Oh yeah, you must do. Okay, I'm sorry. I keep forgetting. You should do. Okay, I'm sorry. Should do. Okay, for paper 2.
This is one part 2. Oh, sorry. Yeah, one part 2, but there's a lot of context.
I'll take a read. And your problem is?
I think it'll be obvious. It will be the steps. I know
Alright,
step
alright.
1, step 2. I know step 1, step 2 for this question, but this is a different step 1, step 2. I've
So
labeled the
Mhm.
carbons, but I don't know where they belong here. I don't know where they belong here.
That mess
Like-
you up a bit, I suppose.
Because anywhere I put it, the double bond just is in this position. So I have to assume it's moved somewhere else. But yeah, that messed me up.
Understand. Right. I'll take a read. This one, of course, I have to read one. Okay.
Yep.
Please do something else first. Right.
Yeah, I will.
Okay. Right. And Keiko, are you facing any problem?
No, I'm on question 4 already.
Wonderful.
So yeah, the only problem is that the negative x cube over 3.
Let me see. Let me see the question. Is that question 4, right? Okay. Moving up. Yeah.
It seems okay.
I need you to zoom in a bit. It's too blurry. Thank you. Wonderful. So your issue is, so what's your issue? Sorry.
No, my issue is question 2.
Oh, your issue is question 2.
Yeah.
Oh, there is no issue right now.
Yes, not
I'm sorry. I haven't found it, but I'm trying to, I had to redo
I
it.
mean, it's fine lah.
Right. So either now I find later, yeah. Right. Okay. Right. So good to know. Feel free to continue. For alkenes, yeah, sure. Specific, sure. Okay. Okay. Wonderful. Right. So. Okay. All right. Okay, cool. Yeah. Interesting. Okay, simple enough, right? Okay, got it. Oh goodness. Right. Okay, just now the pencil was blocking. Now your eraser is blocking. Sorry, could you just remove your eraser a little bit? Yeah, okay, now I can copy it better. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, got it. Again. Yeah, good, good. Okay, okay, good. Right. Okay, I cannot read. I still cannot see the final thing. Yeah? Could you please enlarge the final thing for
Yeah,
me?
sure.
Yeah, that thing. So how come you explained to me the 7 and 8, right? The 7 and 8. So between 3 and 7, right? How come there's an empty space there? Yeah? Is that
Oh,
supposed?
that's a piece of paper.
Which means, which could you? Then the original thing is.
Oh, the original
That
thing
was very
is...
confusing. There is no empty space lah. Oh, okay, okay, got it. Okay, let me copy that. Yeah, that was confusing, right? Okay. All right, thank you. Okay, got it. Now I'm gonna see the guy. Good. All right. Does it make sense to we tick twice? No, right? There's no need to do that, I suppose, maybe. Because it's very symmetric. Oh, really? Oh. Okay, wonderful. Yeah, okay. All right. Okay, then one, two, three, four, five, six. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. All right. So a few questions for you, Yankin. Right.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think oh dear. Okay, so we're short of time. Right? Okay. So looking at my Jamboard, right? I look at my the Jamboard, page 11. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So I noticed the final guy. Final guy is symmetrical, if I could say that. right? So basically, no matter how I see it, for example, this is the double bond and it's double bond, right? Right, that's the two double bonds, which is a little bit weird because the question is about the placement of double bond. Oh, you want two double bonds? Okay, that's a bit more difficult. But the two double bonds are symmetrical in a way. Like, look at this double bond. I put this as 1 and 2, right? This double bond also 1 and 2 in a way that they are actually the same, like this 1 2 and this 1 2, like in that sense. I'm putting it as okay, they are the same. Okay. And then the other way is 3 4 5, right? So this also 3 4 5, they are the same.
Okay, yeah.
Then there finally this branch, and then this branch, they're also the same. So like this branch works for him, this branch also works for him, right?
So
And
3 4
then-
5 and the 3 4 5. The bottom 3 4 5 and top 3 4 5.
No. Okay, so one more time. So one way to see double bond is to have the 4 legs, right? The 4 legs, right? So
okay.
So this leg has a C, this leg has an H. Simple, right? Simple, right?
Yep.
And then this leg has a 3 4. Maybe actually more appropriate. This leg is 1 and this leg is 3 4 right? 3 4 right? And then this leg is a very long guy like this. Just see it that way
Okay.
If you see it the other way, same thing. So look, this is H also, right? This is H and 1C. And then the other leg is 3 4, and then the other leg is just this long thing. This long thing.
Right? And the two long things are the same.
Let me see. So first of all, the one is in the same side as 3 4, right? So oh no, they're different. Oh, let me think for one. Oh, they are kind of different. Sorry, one is cis and one is trans. Kind of. So look. From his perspective, 1 and 3 4 is the same side and then H and the super long guy is one side, correct? From the other guy's perspective, the 1 is not the same side as 3 4. The H is the same side as 3 4. So this 1 is now the same side as the long guy, but the long guy is kind of the same, because there's still cis trans issue. They're kind of the same. They're not exactly the same. They're kind of the same.
Okay.
Right? But they are similar enough. But I'm so sorry, it's not a perfect symmetry. I'll say that. Right? Okay.
All right.
So at least they are not very different. So that kind of gives me some idea what's going on. Secondly, what goes on is this is a new thing for us, right? What I understand from this new thing is that here's I need a ketone. I need the ketone, right? The ketone to form one of the legs, right? And then there's another double bond here which will form the leg. I mean, basically we're combining this guy and this guy with a double bond in the middle, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to do a Wittig reaction, right, with the Wittig region, the other guy must be ketone, right? Must be ketone somehow, right?
Because
we don't have a ketone. We don't have a ketone. We need this guy needs to change to ketone, and I'm guessing. I mean, look at it this way, So here's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So I'm gonna draw that as blue, right? Your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm guessing this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm guessing that is that. I'm guessing. Because you will ketone this and you will ketone that.
Electrophilic addition, and then is it?
If you can get double ketone, I'm not sure yet, but I'm already seeing the hints there.
I'm thinking like double hydroxides, then they are both secondary, right? Yeah, because they're in the center.
Yeah, then you can ketone, then you can make it a ketone, and then the Wittig region seems very simple, because that means the Wittig region. Exactly. Yeah. It's. I think that's the case. I think.
Okay, let me draw it out.
Yeah, but this takes a long time. I mean, from my standard, this takes a long time to realize. I have to think about it a lot visually. So you do it yourself, Ken? At least you get something out of this question, not just me telling you, right? Okay. So I'll say, okay, I'm not 100% certain, but I think that's what's going on. Okay. Right. Time is up. You have things to do until Sunday, yeah? Plus rest, of course.
Yeah, I do.
Right. All right, then I won't control too much, but I do ask you to take notes lah. What's happening, Friday and what's happening Sunday lah, right? When we meet. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'll see you on Sunday.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Keiko, anything I owe you beside the minus thingy lah?
I guess question 4, I cannot get the answer lah.
At least I copy first.
Okay.
Question
A.
4 is.
Wait, no, not even A. It's just the first question.
I'm sorry. I cannot see which question 4. Oh, there's question. Yeah, okay, there's question. Okay. Oh, okay, I got it. So, you're saying that you cannot get part 1. What?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Okay, the first 2 are correct. 1 plus x is correct, but from here onwards it's wrong.
Okay, let me copy. If I can answer right now, that would be nice. If not, okay. Yeah. Oh. You mean your expansion is not correct already?
I think so. I don't know if there's anything wrong with my series though.
Oh, I think so. The 2x is fine though. The 2x is fine. Okay, time is up, but I'm going to check a few things. I think the EX square got problem.
Oh, okay.
EX is part. I think that is got problem.
Okay.
Don't have to be too worried about it. Just do something else. But yeah. So I owe you this one, the minus 1. There you go. Yeah, okay. All right. Nothing else to update?
Nothing else.
Cool. When is your rest day?
Rest day?
Yeah. It's a yeah. I did ask you once, right? So you don't have a rest day.
Not really, but I guess this Sunday will be a rest day because I'm going out with my family.
Which is nice. So if you don't have a rest day, do you sleep enough every day?
Probably not.
Tell me about your sleeping.
I think I have a very odd sleep schedule actually. I sleep from like around 9:30 to 1:30.
You mean 9:30 p.m. right to 1:30
Yeah.
a.m. and then what happened? And
then I wake up to study.
And then what? And then
go to school.
You don't sleep again?
If I feel tired, then I'll sleep. Take a nap lah. But yeah.
I mean, it is very acceptable if you wake up, do something serious like studying, right? 1:30.
Okay, no, usually after I wake up, right, I'll be a bit too tired to like immediately get up. So I nap,
of course,
for a little bit more.
But what makes you wake up in the first place at 1:30? Is this like a new habit for JC?
No, since Sec 3.
Since Sec 3, you have been doing this.
Because I really cannot stay up to do work. Like past 9 p.m. my brain just shuts down.
Yeah, but you're not supposed to stay up. You're not. I'm serious. You're not. And I appreciate whether you're a morning or late person, but you seem to be a morning person. So it's totally fine with me. Like you also fall asleep very easily, isn't it?
I guess, yeah.
Okay, that's one blessing. But again, why? Again, tell me, how did you even manage to wake up at 1:30 every day?
Not every day.
Which is good.
But okay, no, like usually I'll nap until like 3 actually. But I do need that like warm up time, I guess.
You do it what? So you do what? You do?
I don't know how to call it, warm up time, because I really cannot immediately get up, you know.
Yeah, you shouldn't lah. And you just slept for less than 4 hours. I mean, at most you slept 4 hours lah, right? I mean, I'm not surprised, right?
Yeah.
And then what? And then you nap until 3, and then you will behave as if the day has started lah. That's how the day start for you lah.
Yeah.
So you will take a bath, and you will have breakfast, and then you will study.
Actually, no. I study first, then I shower, because my parents don't let me shower at 3 a.m.
I suppose that. Wonderful. Oh, your parents know about this, right? Okay, then breakfast.
Breakfast around 6 or 7 a.m.
So even though I find that very weird, but you're saying that your mornings are never rushed lah. That's what you're saying lah.
Rush as in like preparation for school.
Like here's an example, right? Okay, let's say we are not a morning person, so we tend to wake up late lah, right?
Yeah.
We wake up late, that everything is a mess, including whether we shower or not, whether we brush our teeth or not, whether we breakfast or not, and whether we're gonna even catch the bus or not.
Yeah.
Everything has to be rushed, right? And it is erratic, no, and it is random from day to day.
Yes.
Right, but it seems like you have a peaceful and productive morning lah. Every morning, maybe you will say that.
Yeah.
That part I don't mind. I told my other student, also JC lah, right, to sleep at 9, because obviously he's a morning person. Like past 9, he's useless, right? So why bother? He should sleep first and then wake up at 4 lah. So less extreme than you lah, but it works fine for him lah. At 4, then 4 can study lah. 4 can study and then do your stuff and then go to school lah. And that's all.
I mean, the thing is, I have a 1 hour traveling time, so I would have less time to study, I guess.
And on that 1 hour traveling time, what happened?
Usually it's my rest time.
That is your rest time, and you prefer not to study on that time lah.
You prefer not to, yeah. So I download like Netflix shows to watch.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you to sleep, but that's at least some cooling down, right? So it must be a packed bus, right? Kind of, I suppose. It must be
packed bus. Oh yeah.
Bus, and then
But for me, I take the train. So my station is like in those areas that are far away from the city lah. So when I board, then there'll be a lot of seats.
Right. So mostly MRT travel, and then you change to bus, and then you arrive at school lah.
I don't have a bus, right? But yeah.
Oh no. But you MRT directly. Okay. Right. Oh wow, your school is very far. Wow.
Yeah.
But no, my only I like the feel lah. I would say lah, I like the feel. The only thing I don't like is the quantity lah, right? So you do catch up with your sleep lah in weekends lah. That's what normally people do, right?
I mean, yeah, I do.
How many hours?
Earliest I wake up will be like 4, but usually around 5, 6.
5 or 6 a.m.
But I sleep quite early. Like even I can't even like stay up to play games on it. I must sleep by like 10. So 10 to 6 is still okay, right?
Yeah lah, but yeah, okay lah. I mean, I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot, right? I mean, considering that you wake up at 3 or 4, how could we even stay up at 10, right? That's very normal to me lah. I suppose that's very normal to me. But you don't have rest day, and I suppose they say when you're young you can abuse your body lah. I suppose lah.
It doesn't feel like very tiring for me though, because I do have like supportive friends. I don't know. So yeah, I go to the library with them also. Then like when we go out for meals, it's quite fun lah. So I don't feel burnt out.
Good. Okay. I understand. Right. I understand. Okay. All right. Have a good weekend, and I guess I'll see you on Sunday.
Oh, I don't know if I can
Right.
come on Sunday. I have to check again.
Is that something special?
Yeah, my cousin is in Singapore. So like yeah, that's why we're going out in the first place lah.
Just go for now. Right? You just, I mean, even if your parents ask, say, okay, yeah, you're ahead. It's okay. Okay. Right. Feel free. Right. Okay. See you maybe on Tuesday. Right?
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes, Kakak Brian, I can see you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, hello.
Okay, wonderful. Right. Okay. Any updates so far?
No.
All right. Wonderful. Supposed to send. Okay. Yep. Okay, yeah, I think they are a bit late. All right. So for today, how many times have you been with Michael
Sorry?
this year, this time?
Oh, sorry?
How many times have you helped Michael this year?
Oh, I don't remember. Quite a bit, I think, at the start.
Michael, and then Noah, right? And then Ariane.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think about Michael so far?
Okay. Just need to revise the previous topics.
Yeah. Now, you haven't been with Michael for some time, right? Am I correct?
I think so.
Okay. Then, if nothing changes, please be with Michael today.
Okay.
And then for Ainesh and Aditya, right? So you have not been with Ainesh, correct? Yeah, I have not assigned Ainesh to you. If you remember, right? Okay, so he's in. So I'm gonna have an update with him. So let's see what happens. Right? Okay, Ainesh, I can see you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
All right. Yes, I can hear you. How are you today?
Yeah, all right.
So this is the final hour lah, of this 5-hour week. Okay. What do you think so far? What do you think so far?
I think it's all right. It's not as stressful as I thought it would be.
Okay, all right. So let's see what happened today. Quick updates, please.
We started on the new worksheet. We did a couple questions. I guess that's about it. We got the syllabus, which is tested for CAT.
Oh, you did. Okay, good. Please send me.
Geometry, it's coordinate geometry and
the 3 go 1 to 3, right? Okay. So what I don't get is what is 3 go 1 to 3?
What is 3 go 1 to 3? Give me a second.
Yeah.
Trigonometry is the graph of trigonometric functions.
That's chapter 3, right? So 3 go 3 is graph.
Trigonometric ratios and trigonometric ratios.
I'm sorry. That means you're reading from somewhere, right? Could you take a picture for me?
Wait, I'll switch it.
Right, sure. The worksheet he went through more than what we discussed yesterday.
Yeah, of course.
But show me the schedule, the exam syllabus first.
Okay. These are the worksheets. So this is coordinate geometry. I think I don't know where the other worksheets are, but this is coordinate geometry. This is the Trigo 1 to 3. Trigonometric ratios. Is it? Please.
I see. Okay. Okay. This is 1. Okay. This is 1. Okay. Understood. So what is 2? 2 was.
Trigonometric ratios. So what radian and stuff.
Could you show me the last page so that I can understand? Oh, this is still triangle. Okay. Right. Okay. There's this then. And then the trigonometry is
Graph of trigonometric functions.
the transformation, right?
Yeah.
So that means the proving, the identities, all the stuff that we did a few days before, for example, this week is not tested.
Yeah.
Are you sure about this?
It's all
You're very
tested.
sure about.
Yeah, it's all tested in SA2.
Wonderful. Okay, we have to make a decision first, today, we have to make a decision. Right. So you know all this, right? So we are studying something not in exam, right? But of course, we're studying it for SA2, but that's clear. And maybe what you're doing right now is Trigo 5, is it? Is it Trigo 5?
Trigo 6.
Trigo 6. So Trigo 4, 5, 6 lah. The newest guy is Trigo 6, right? I think that will be about it lah. Maybe one more. Yeah. Okay. So
there's one more. It's
Trigo 7.
Further additional formula or something.
Right. So Trigo 4, 5, 6, 7 lah. Right. I think he will probably finish 7 even before the CA2 lah.
Yeah.
Right. So this is common, but I never agree with this kind of thing. So it's very common for us to be studying something else, but tomorrow the exam is the past lah. It's very common lah.
Oh, you want to do it like even up to the day beforehand?
What do you mean by that?
Like still do like this additional formula even up to the day before
exam. That is what I want to discuss with you. We have to understand the pros and cons, right? So we are going to sacrifice one or the other.
I think I'm going to disagree there. Like when it comes to quite close to the exams, like my math exam is on, what day is it? It is on Friday. So,
the last day. Right?
Yeah,
the
last day. So
let me get a few things straight. This WA weighted assessment, okay, morning session, then the other section. Right? Is there a normal class in between or after?
Yeah, that's normal. It's quite stressful, honestly.
So it's a normal class, but also with 2 exams.
Yes.
It's just nuts, right? It's just nuts.
It's so stressful because in between the period, in between the exams, you're supposed to adapt to, like, for example, in between chemistry and geography, you're supposed to immediately adapt to mathematics and learn mathematics.
And then go geography, right?
Yeah, and suddenly you have to prepare for a geography exam. It's really difficult. I don't know.
Okay. And after geography, you are too?
I mean, like, if it's like chem first, then you do chem. Then like the regular periods like math and English and stuff.
And then geography. And then after geography, there's still more classes.
Yeah, then there's still more classes, then you get dismissed. So I don't understand. It's quite...
Oh, I don't understand this. I can do it, but I never agree with it. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I don't
know. I understand your situation. We have to talk a bit long. So can you do something first? I have to get some updates from Aditya. Okay? Okay. Aditya, can you hear me loud?
Yeah, hi.
All right, wonderful. All right, so give me a quick update, please. What's going on?
Okay, so today in eMath, there was no eMath today. So today in eMath, we did the same worksheet that we went through yesterday.
Okay, wonderful.
And yeah, that's
how is it?
I mean, I got them right, and it was pretty easy. Like, yeah.
We didn't encounter any problem yesterday, isn't it?
No, we didn't.
No, we did discuss the basics and everything.
Yeah, and then after that,
Okay,
it'll be
good.
basic.
Good. Right. So that's EMAT, there's AMAT, and then tomorrow there's some AMAT, is it?
Yeah, tomorrow the same as.
So tomorrow, I expect you to not reach the linear law, the problem that you have, not yet. Not
Okay.
yet, right? So here's why it goes. So you think does it make sense or not? On Sunday, we must dedicate time for logarithm in terms of linear and logarithm. We must do that.
Yeah.
Okay, that's for Sunday lah. Right? Today, if do that with Kakak Brian. So today I'll be assigning with Brian and also. Okay. So today, nothing doesn't seem like you have anything to do lah. Correct or not?
I have a worksheet from math. So
For EMAT, is it?
AMath.
AMAT. Show me, please. Show me your worksheet.
Okay. Just 1 second. Just
Okay. Michael, can you hear me? Michael, can you hear me? Yes, okay. If there's no objection, I'll assign you with Kakak Brian today.
Okay.
All right, then Kakak Brian, Michael with you, and then later I'll send Aditya in. Okay. So, Michael, please accept the invitation. Is this new to you, Aditya?
sorry.
Is this new?
No, we did this in functions.
Correct. So this is like a revision for EMAT.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, could you flip to me? Maybe to the last few pages.
The last few pages. Oh,
Yeah, if you just making sure. Theorem. Suddenly there's factor theorem.
yeah, it's like a revision worksheet.
I thought factor theorem is not part of your exam.
It is.
Oh, it is. Okay, that's fine. Right. Now, I'm assigning you to Kakak Brian today. Please do questions that you cannot. Or rather you feel you cannot, or you feel there's some gaps, right? For example, you're still shaky, maybe, yeah?
Just 1 second. I can't hear anything.
Testing, can you hear me now? Testing.
Yep. Yeah. Hi.
All right, okay. So I'm assigning you to the breakout room today. Please do questions that you feel you have gap lah. For example, factor theorem still a bit shaky, right?
Yeah.
For example, do that lah. Because this graph, maybe you can.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can.
Yeah. So please do the things that are difficult. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Please accept the invitation to the breakout room. Yeah. Right. So. Okay, Ainesh, we continue our meeting. This is strategic meeting. We discuss what we are supposed to do, right?
Yeah, sure.
So I disagree with the way your exam is conducted. It's unnecessary. It is. I'm not sure why he's not giving you enough time and space to breathe. So it's just like, okay, this exam is just a normal thing, where you're just supposed to do what you have been learning. Something like that, right? So it's not a big exam. If it is true, then that's good for you. But if it is not, then the preparation is very weird, at least for me. Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
I'm used to that kind of exam back then, but I disagree with it now. So here's the thing. Your math will be at a time when you are bonkers, when you are just so tired, right? So who's worse than math? Physics. Congratulations, both math and physics are the worst. Oh my goodness, chemistry, math, and physics are the worst. Okay, right. Okay, so during this week, yeah, I imagine, yeah, you cannot even do tuition for math. I don't think you can if you want to do the other subject exam. Am I correct, first of all?
Yeah, I guess, yeah. I mean, the whole thing is that because you've taught me like enough math, I can somewhat survive, but I
Yeah,
will
yeah, yeah.
need like more guidance later on. But I can survive on
Correct.
what you're learning right
I don't mind. That's why I don't mind. That's why I don't mind seeing your situation, right?
Yeah, but also,
So,
I mean, we have a long weekend, right? If you're okay with it, I can do more than an hour. Like on Sundays,
I might
Mondays.
be. I might be. Because we're talking about this week, right? Not next week, right? I mean, this coming week, right?
Right.
Don't right? Let's talk about it. Don't worry. Don't worry. So let's agree first that most probably our last math tuition is going to be on Sunday, lah, the Sunday of 14th of August. Lah.
I agree, yeah.
Right. And then the rest, you just have to concentrate on whatever you have to do.
Yeah.
And then I don't think even on Thursday we'll be having a math tuition. I mean, we can lah. Do you want? Does it matter? I don't know. Does it matter if you have a math tuition for 1 hour on Thursday of 18th of August? Does it matter?
I mean, I guess, yeah. Yeah, I think we should do Thursday because Friday I still have school.
Correct, correct. So maybe we'll do that lah. Yeah. So maybe if I see you and you're tired and I'll say, you know what, you just sleep lah.
Yeah. Okay.
Like it's not as if 1 hour of math will matter near the exam when you're very tired. Sleep is important. So we'll just see lah. You come in, you tell me how you do, and then we'll just decide on the spot. Okay. So that's what's going to happen on this week. Pretty simple. You'll be very busy with many other things. Understand? Now, so your suggestion is we do more on this week. I understand. I can understand that. Let me confirm that on Sunday itself. Right now, here's the thing I'm asking you. Right? Do we sacrifice the current topics of math? That means 3, go 4, 5, 6, and 7. We held them in high regard, and we want to be ahead. And that is the right thing to do as a student. It's not just you. It's not just, it's every student should be prepared for the class. And we have been trying to do that to our best, correct?
Yeah.
I'm asking you to sacrifice that. That's one option for the sake of preparing for 3 go 1 2 3 properly, plus your CG a bit lah. That is one option to do. And if you choose that option, then obviously after exam and a little bit of a break, yeah, we go and catch up again because there is no exam after exam. So we can do that lah. We can do that.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you'll be probably fine also lah, as far as I can tell.
Yeah. Okay. And we have the September holidays also.
Yeah, there's holiday also. Right, to prepare for SA2 lah. I mean, that's a big thing, but you know, we have some time lah. We have some time. Okay. Again, before you say yes very quickly, 3 go 1 2 3 is different from 3 go 4 5 6 7. That's why I'm saying this. They are not the same one. They feel different.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it's as if they are a different topic. You're saying?
I just feel 3 go 1 2 3 is a bit simpler. Like it's a more basic.
That is also true, yeah. But the approach itself is also very different. The approach is very different. That means the expectation of the question is also very different. You cannot rely on your 3 go 4 5 6 7 to do 3 go 1 2 3. Kind of, yeah, you can, kind of.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, so yes or no to that sacrifice?
Yeah.
Okay, today are we starting that sacrifice?
I don't think so. I think we start from the holidays.
What do you mean by you mean on
no.
Sunday lah? You mean on Sunday, is it?
I
don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind.
Yeah, I think we start from Sunday.
All right. So today we still do your worksheet lah, basically, right? That's all lah. Right? Whether we are ahead or not, we're doing our best.
Yeah.
Let me emphasize that you are doing your best lah, whether you're ahead or not in this current situation. Right. So I will let you do it lah. Okay. So please do what you want to do. I will help you. And then I'll have some update from Noah first. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, please continue. Right. So Noah, you are doing another revision, am I correct?
Yeah.
All right. How do you? Oh, you have a fancy. Wait, you have a fancy drawing. What? Since when do you have a? Since when do you have something that you can draw upon?
Oh, it's a computer given by the school.
Really? The computer given by your school has a detachable screen that you can
fold it.
write on? You fold it.
Yeah.
So in front of that thing is another laptop which is not folded lah.
It's like the other part of the computer, the back.
Oh no, I mean yeah, there's another laptop above it, man.
Oh yeah.
There's a different thing, man.
Yeah.
Oh, your school fancy, fancy. You have been using this for tuition, really? Now I realize that. Oh wow, really?
For the past maybe like 3 sessions only.
It's a new thing. It's a new thing. Wait, what? They give you this fancy thing on secondary 4, really?
Late actually, but I'm starting to use it now.
Oh my goodness, right. So that means they no longer give you hard copies. They just give you soft copies whenever necessary. Is that what's happening here?
Sometimes hard copy, sometimes soft copy.
Understand. Okay. So I'm just curious. So I think it's good. If you don't mind, there are some hassles in digital stuff, but if you don't mind, that's good. Right. Any questions so far?
I don't think so.
Right. Now, needless to say, please practice the topics that you're weak at in tuition. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay. Aryan, any question for me so far?
No.
All right. So yes, doing revision again.
Yeah.
Do focus on what you cannot do. For example, differentiating this. I think you can do differentiation. For example, 7A differentiation.
Oh,
right?
Yeah.
I think you can do differentiation. So unless you need it for B, please skip A, right? Do the difficult stuff, is what I'm trying to say. Actually, I think you can do B. Can you do B or not?
B.
Yeah, I think you actually can do this.
Yeah.
Okay, show me the first. You show me the first step. If I say you're okay, then you just skip me. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Wonderful. Okay, Ainesh, are you stuck?
Yeah.
Okay, for question C, do you realize or not that this is radian?
Question C. Yeah, I do.
How do you know that this is a radian question?
It says so.
Where?
Where
does
the
it?
ranges, on the ranges.
Wonderful. There's one more thing, so I'm testing you here. So x minus 2, right?
Yeah.
What does 2 there means? What is that 2?
Some grafting.
No, that's a radian also. That's the part that I want you to realize. So you compare that with part B. Part B is above, you see 45 degree minus x. Correct?
Yeah. I mean, the whole main thing about Trigo, like at least for this additional formula, is just that as long as you can see the questions the way the teacher sees it, you're good. But that's the difficult part. Like, for example, for this, it took me so long to realize you're just supposed to multiply by 1. Not
Look, what you're saying is of course correct, I want to see it the way teachers see it, whether you're a teacher or me or whatever. I mean, we're saying that I want to see it the way the experts see it, right?
Yes.
That is definitely a very good aim, but you cannot get that easily. Of course, what you're saying is correct. You want to pick our brain and learn what we think instead of just copying. Right?
Yeah.
But if you get that, are you saying that you get B yourself? Is that what you're saying?
I needed help.
What kind of help? Sorry?
Like, the teacher had to give me hints, just like you did.
What does it mean by the teacher give you hint? What does that mean? So tell me again. So how does that happen in class? Usually teacher don't give hint to one person.
Like if you raise your hand, like to be fair, like me and like a couple other students, we are quite ahead of the class usually. So Whenever
You
we
ask-
raise our hands, whenever we raise our hands and ask for hints, he gives it to us.
Oh, and you are still maintaining that lah. You are still kind of keeping
Not as-
up lah.
I mean, not as well as I was before, but
So that's why your teacher gives you hint personally.
yes. But this one actually I did by myself. This one I didn't.
Oh, then I mean your class experience is currently very good and productive lah. I mean it feels good, but it is also productive lah. No, that's
Yeah.
no. Oh, you're bragging, Ines. You're bragging just now, right? You're not complaining, correct or not?
Yeah, of course.
Nonsense. Okay, so brag with me when you get your first nice exam lah.
Sure.
Right? Okay, now for part C, let me emphasize this x minus 2 is very similar to the part B, all right, 45 degree minus x. I mean, the 2 in part C is like the 45 degree. It's an angle. Do you realize that or not?
Yeah, 2 is a 45-degree angle.
No, 2 is not 45. 2 is 2 radian, but I'm saying that 2 is an angle. Let me say this very clearly. That 2 is totally different from the 3 and the 4 in front of the cosine, in front of the sine. They are totally different because the 2 is an angle. The 3 and the 4 is not an angle, it's a normal number. Am I making any sense right now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, then referring to B, for example, when you see tangent 45, you should be referring to a table, right? It's 1, no? Correct?
Yeah.
For cosine 2 and sine 2, what do you do? What do you
We can use calculator for this. So I guess we just calculate it.
Correct, radian, no? Because I mean it's going to be an ugly number anyway, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so you do that lah. Is what I'm trying to say. Now, Aryan, are you stuck?
Yeah, I just realized I don't know how to integrate a product rule.
Wonderful. Okay. Let me address that. Just a minute. Michael needs some. Michael needs my. Okay, right. Okay, Aryan, we discussed long time ago in holiday tuition. You cannot integrate product rule. There is no rule for integration if it is a product, correct?
Yeah.
This is directly an impossible thing to do. Just saying it is impossible. What do they do when they give you a question which is impossible?
They give you a hints.
Correct. Normally. Now, this one, they don't. Be clear, they don't. Correct?
Yeah.
They don't. So what does that mean? I also teach you in holiday tuition. What does that mean? It is still impossible, right? It is still impossible.
Yeah.
They don't give you a hint. They don't give you hands. So what does this mean?
It means that it's still solvable.
How? No, I mean very specifically. This impossible thing, what are we supposed to do? What are we supposed to think?
Are we supposed to rewrite?
Let me rephrase that. You're supposed to transform it, actually.
Oh, yeah.
You're supposed to transform it into something which is doable. Right? Now, we are concerned with the sine x times cosine x. The other guy, I don't think matters a lot, right?
Yeah.
So what do you do with sine of x and cosine x in a way so that you no longer have to product rule integrate because there is no such thing. Yeah. So what do you do? Right. Okay.
2 sine x cosine x is
yes.
2x.
Is that integratable?
Yeah.
Good. This is a very important revision for exam. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
That's the thinking process. Let me repeat this. Do you understand what we're talking about here?
Yes.
If you see this in exam, you know what to do, yeah? You're going to transform the question, okay? Okay, so in this case, I want you to at least do a little bit, okay? Until before the definite integral, right? Before you do all the numbers, which are messy, just integrate properly, okay? So at least you have some here. Noah, any problem?
No.
Wonderful. Ainesh, are you still stuck? What's going on here?
Oh yeah, no, my mom's phone. Someone called her again.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, no, not so wonderful, but okay. So, come on, what do we do? What do we do here? What do we do? Okay, now Ines, they are supposed to be ugly numbers and we just deal with it, right? Okay. Now, Ines, again, move up so I can follow. Move up, please. Okay. What's your problem here? This is a very common problem. What is the problem? This is what I teach you. What is the problem here currently? I'm sorry, what?
Sorry, what is the problem?
Yeah, what is the problem? It's the same problem we always face.
How do
You
you
have to-
move on?
How do you what? Sorry?
How do we move on?
Well, yeah, lah, but I define the problem. You're not getting this, right? There are two types of trigonometry here. What are they?
Are you on the gym?
I mean, I'm not writing anything in Jamboard. I'm still looking at your video and saying it. No, I'm not doing anything. Look at your final line here, okay? This 3/4 cosine x, blah, 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 blah. The problem here is two types of trigonometry. Do you understand what I'm saying? I've been saying this for a long time.
Yeah.
How do you solve the problem of two types of trigonometry?
Transform it.
Transform, cancel, do whatever you can so that it becomes
One type.
one type. Can you do that? Right? That is what you need to think about. That is what you think about. Aryan, are you okay so far?
Yeah.
Okay. Later just show me a bit. So just move up a bit. Okay, you at least make it, you're making it much simpler, and I like it a lot. I like it a lot. You still have the same problem or not, Ainesh?
Now I don't.
Because that is what you do, very good, and then suddenly,
Boom.
boom. All right, good. Right, okay, good.
This is in radian.
What do you think?
Yeah, it is.
I mean, if your calculator setting is in radian, then yeah lah.
Yeah, but then how do you change quadrants if it's in radian?
Okay, that is a very important question. In radian, you are disoriented because you don't even know what quadrant is this. That is an issue, right? What's quadrant? What quadrant is minus 1.33? I mean, we don't know, right?
I mean, technically it's 1.33 plus the minus.
Minus, yeah. Again, the question that we usually ask in degree is immediately, which quadrant is this, right? We don't even know here. And you are right, that is a problem for radian. We are disoriented because of that. What do we do? What do we do to solve our disorientation problem?
Personally, I just go back to the.
I'm sorry, your audio is just very bad.
Oh, sorry. Personally, I just go back to degrees and then I switch back to radian right before the answer.
In fact, I would argue you do that. You will just do that because then you will eliminate the problem. Okay, I will argue. Right? Please do that. You are right. I should do that. You should do that. Right? Okay, Aryan, are you okay so far?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see 8A first. Now, why do you decide to do 8A? Is it difficult for you?
No.
All right. Okay, how about 8B, 8C? Noah, is logarithm difficult for you?
No.
All right. What you're doing is correct. If your second line is correct, then I'll ask you to skip it. Oh, your second line is definitely correct. If it is not difficult, can you skip this? You do it by yourself later?
Okay.
Right. I mean, it looks good to me. It looks good to me. Definitely good. Right. Okay, Aryan, how about this Figo question? Is it difficult for you? Ooh. Yeah, at least it looks challenging. Is it? Is it challenging for you? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Right. Figo question. Okay, Ainesh. So you have a degree for me?
No, I'm still.
Okay, so you go back to your calculator. You go back to your calculator, you press the tangent inverse thingy, and you just list down degree. You just go back to your calculator at this point, very easy. Okay, minus 1.33 is actually what kind of degree? You just change it to degree. So in this case, you just change your mode to degree. And that's not what you do. So 3, good. Now you press equal here. Now you have a degree, right? And then you start thinking here, look. Right, and this I do suggest you do. So you're just writing minus 1.33. Don't erase that, or you write down the degree, right? Aryan, any problem?
No.
Okay. Noah, is this challenging?
See first.
All right, sure. What is log 5?
Is it 1?
Do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So please try to do this.
Oh, 1 second, my mom's phone's calling again.
Oh, okay.
I'll just show you what I've done so far.
Please do. Okay. I understand. Right. Please do. Please, your mother. You're correct. Aryan, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Do you need some hint?
Is this 60 minus 45?
You can do it that way if you so wish. I don't mind. How about minus 150?
That's negative 90 minus 60.
Can you? Well, I suppose you can do it that way, isn't it? Okay, do it that way, and then I'll show you another way, lah. Then you can do a comparison, lah, right? But what you're mentioning is not wrong, lah. So, okay, Noah, I'm trying to see what you do. Looks like you have progressed a lot, right?
Okay, I'm back.
All right, wonderful. Okay, the moment you switch to degree, you can do it, right? Agree that radian is messing you up. Okay, agree. So then you have to convert it to radian, right? Your teacher might do it a more professional way, lah. A more professional way. I'll leave it to you to see. If you want, I can teach you the quote more professional way. This is fine to me. You know? This is fine.
This is how I do. This is how I convert to radian.
I'm sorry, audio not so good.
This is how I convert to radian.
So you stick with the pi. Yeah? I would disagree with that, but for now, never mind. It's a very minor disagreement. It's a very minor disagreement right now. So I don't make a big deal out of it right now. Okay, I will show you the more professional way. You may like it, but after the whole exam thingy, okay. This is not the biggest deal. This is not the biggest deal, right? Okay, right. Good so far, lah. Good so far. Now, we still have time for one more at least, lah. Could you zoom out a bit? Zoom out. I want to choose the question that you do, lah. This last question.
That page is already done, so I guess.
All right. Okay. Do zoom out. Okay. Zoom out, please. Zoom out. Zoom out.
Zoom out.
Okay. Right. Okay. So this is example 4. Okay. I mean example 4. Actually, yeah. Example 4. Oh wow. Example 4 would qualify as an exam or a WA question, if not for the fact of addition formula, lah. If not for that. Wow. Okay. Okay. Actually, maybe I want you to do that, isn't it? Maybe, right? Maybe, right? Maybe. Okay, you have a choice. Either example 4 or example 5. Your choice, lah.
Whichever is harder.
It's okay. Both are okay. Both are good revision for your exam. I'm taking advantage of it. Okay, choose one, please.
I'll go with question 5 because it looks more complicated.
Tangent, yeah. Okay, let me see first. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, less exam-like, but still okay. Okay, still okay. Sure. Give it a try.
Also, it is easier.
No, not easier. But what I mean by exam-like is I noticed some exam feature in example 4 more strongly. There's also some exam feature in example 5. That's why I don't mind. I mean the 3 go 1, 2, 3 lah. I mean that. So example 4 and 5 is mixing 3 go 1, 2, 3 with the current 3 go lah. That's why I like it. Right. So do it, please. You have 15 minutes more. Aryan, your decision is okay. 60. Yeah. I mean, your decision is fine, right? It's okay. Yeah. I mean, looks fine to me. Yeah. Yeah. Looks good to me. Yeah, looks good to me. Noah, okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Now, how's your cert? How's your cert?
Yeah, that's fine. See
Yeah.
first.
Okay. Right. Roughly, is your cert rusty right now?
I don't think so.
All right. Aryan, would you move up a bit? I'm trying to see your cert. Okay. Okay. Do you know what to do here, Aryan?
Not really.
Okay, let's stop here for now. In exam, you are to stop here and then you are to check whether you're correct or not. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
How do you confirm whether you're correct or not here?
You minus by the.
You compare this guy, right, with the supposed answer key, right?
So √6, this one.
That one. Do you understand? If you compare them and they are the same, then you're not wasting time. No? If they're different, you better check again, right? Okay. In exam, you should do that, especially when they give you answer key like that. Usually they don't, but today they do. So we're happy. Ainesh, need any help so far?
Why don't go the long way around, see if it gets me.
Trying is the spirit. Okay.
Oh, it's not correct.
Then better find the mistake. No? Again, go down a bit. I'll find together with you. Right? Okay. Would you go down a bit more? Sorry. Cosine 150. Okay. Yeah, okay. Right. Okay, sure. Oh, I see your mistake, Alamak. I see your mistake. There is a mistake. 2 minutes, Aryan. After 2 minutes, what's your mistake? Did you find it?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay. 2 minutes. If you cannot, yes. What is it? How did that happen? Oh my goodness,
no.
that's also wrong. No, that's just wrong. That's much better. I like that. Okay, that's better. Definitely better. Yeah. You may want to check again. I think it's still wrong. I think it's still wrong. But you may want to check again. Ainesh, okay?
Yeah, I proved it. Oh, sorry, I can't see.
You did. Sorry. Oh, that's a big progress. Wonderful. Okay, don't cover the question. Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, wonderful. You have proven it. I like it a lot. Now, then there's the show and then. Oh, you're supposed to show 2 things. Huh? What? Oh yeah, you are supposed to show 2 things. Huh? Okay, please show the second thing. I guess. Good job for the first thing. Aryan, are you now correct? Wonderful, Noah. Yeah, wonderful.
Wait, no, just now I wrote √6.
I think your √6 is correct. Yeah, √6/4 is correct, I think.
No, just now I wrote the same thing. Then I accidentally wrote something wrong. Then I changed it back to original again.
Okay. Are you saying that you're still wrong right now?
Yeah, I'm pretty
because
sure.
there is another mistake. I saw the other mistake, not this one. Okay, 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
I don't know how to do this question.
Okay, because this is hence again, show me the first question. The top one, the top. Okay, without calculate. Okay, so he gives you cotangent 15 lah. Okay, understood. Okay, go down again. Then obviously cotangent 15 can be something lah, right? That's one
Yeah.
thing lah, right? So, but he wants you to show that the left-hand side equals to the right-hand side lah. So we cannot immediately do that lah, right? So I think what you have to deal with in part 2 is cosecant square 15. I think lah.
Okay.
Only that. Cosecant
Oh.
square 15 degree is considered to be, it can be, you can use special angle lah to solve it.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Why don't you try that? I don't think it's very difficult. I don't think so. I think you can simply do that. Please try.
Okay.
Okay. Aryan, are you okay so far?
I can't find the answer.
Okay. Now, please give me show me the identities list. You use the cosine. Which identity of cosine did you use for the denominator?
Sorry?
The identity list, right? You use an identity for the cosine one, right? The denominator is cosine something something, right? So tell me which one you use.
This one.
Wonderful. Which one? Which one? Okay, finger.
This one.
Finger. Okay, wonderful. And then there's a plus and there's a minus there. So which one do you use?
Use plus. Because, oh wait, use minus.
Do you get the hint?
Yeah,
do you get the hint?
yeah.
So what's the problem here? If you're using minus, so you decide to use plus lah. Yes, good. You got it. So try to fix that, see whether it fixes the problem lah. If not, then maybe there's another problem. Noah, I lost your video somehow. Ainesh, would you move up, please? Oh, it's proven also, wonder. Okay, proven. Now, tangent, so everything is proven now. Now you're ready for the last part, right? So tangent A is 2/5 and tangent B. Wait. Oh, you don't need the exam. Okay, no, that's fine. You found tangent B. Then tangent A minus B is very easy. This is not exam related. Never mind. You're doing so well though.
Yeah.
You are still doing so well. So I don't mind. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you're done. Good and well. Noah, still lose your video, yeah? Still lost it.
Don't run out of battery, so I'm using my computer.
Oh, okay. Are you okay? Still, are you okay?
I got a question.
How do you ask me that?
Verbally.
Okay, what is it?
Okay, since it's cosecant square, means it's
15.
1/sine square, right?
Wonderful.
So 1/sine square 45 minus 30, is it?
Yeah, but the square will give you some trouble, right? If you go that route. Is there a way? So because you have been dealing with what kind of 15 degree have you been dealing above? You've been dealing with tangent 15, is it, or something?
Yeah, tangent 15.
Okay, then my question is this, if you have tangent 15, right? If you have tangent 15, can you somehow shortcut into sine 15 rather than doing sine 45 minus 30? If you cannot, then that's the only way you can do it. Too bad lah.
Like sine 15.
Yeah, you can find sine 15 from tangent 15 directly. There is a way to do it. Okay, Ainesh, are you happy?
Yeah.
You might be wrong, you might be right, but you're doing well. You're doing well.
Yeah.
Right.
Can you check
You-
if this is correct? Tangent B. Sorry.
Yeah, no, the tangent B is correct. Definitely, because
yeah.
first of all, you're using the proven one, and then it's a simple fraction, right? So the only mistake that could happen is probably at the tangent A minus B, because I cannot see the detail, but yeah, that's right. So you have 5 more minutes. Are you still fresh? Are you still okay? Sorry.
I'm okay, I guess.
Then do example follow as far as you can. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Okay. So Noah, do you get what I mean?
Not really.
Okay. Then draw a triangle. That's my hint to you. The triangle will help you go from tangent 15 to cosine to sine 15 in another way lah. Do you get what I mean?
Okay.
All right. Please do that. Now, Aryan, are you okay or not okay?
It's still wrong.
Okay, let me check one more time. Let me check very fast. Yeah. Oh my goodness. That no, you make another mistake. No, what are you doing? Your identities. Your identity. You only use 2 identities here. I'm giving you too many hints already. The other identity also wrong. Hey, you. It's you.
I mean the sign one.
Yeah. Ay, you. Do it properly.
Oh,
I mean, it's supposed to be memorization, but do it properly. Yeah. Okay, now try again. Okay, my goodness. So many errors. So it's good that we practice this. How is it, Noah?
oh yeah, it's okay now.
Okay. Now then you can spend time working it out lah. Now imagine that you did not check and then you work it out lah. Do you understand what I'm saying? Imagine that lah in exam. Aryan, you okay?
Yeah.
If you didn't check at the here, it will be a very frustrating time. Plus, it's a waste of time. That's not good, yeah. So in exam, please do that. Now, your cert, okay or not? If your cert is not okay, then better work this out lah.
Oh, my cert's okay.
All right, then maybe you do this lah. Let's see whether you can work it out quickly. Ainesh, what do you think about example 4? Okay, since we have very little time, please show me example 4. At least I give you some hint. This will be our warm-up for exam. Now, when they give you sine A a fraction and sine B a fraction, and then they even tell you, A and B lies between this and that. That means A and B is quadrant 2 and quadrant 3, right?
Mhm.
Do you remember that this is trigo 1, 2, 3? I think it's trigo 2 lah, I think lah. Do you remember that this is the triangle thingy? Do you remember all that?
Oh,
That is what you should be aiming for. That's why I say this is an exam thing. Okay, so please give it a try. Okay, I will expect this. If the school haven't discussed that inside. Sorry?
it could be in either quadrant 1 or quadrant 2.
Oh no, you nonsense. There's only one quadrant for A and B, I'm very sure. I think you're forgetting something here. Of course, they tell you it's quadrant 2 and 3, just to give you some drama lah. Actually, there's only one quadrant possible.
Oh, sorry, lie between 90 degrees. Okay.
So he's telling you it's either 2 or 3. Yeah, but when I see the question, yeah, definitely is that quadrant already lah. Definitely lah.
Yeah.
You have to think like that. Huh? So Noah, how is it so far, Noah? Is it working out for you, Noah?
I did the other method. Can you just explain the triangle one on Sunday and
Sure thing.
with the camera?
Please do that. For now, I suppose good job for today. Any other question?
No.
Right. I will see you on Sunday then. Noah.
All right. See you guys.
All right. Bye. Okay, Aryan, how is it? Are you working it out? You are moving up. Let me see. Okay. Okay, sure. I'm so sorry, Aryan. How did the minus disappear? What are you doing here? What kind of magic is it?
Oh,
Hey, you are. Wait, Aryan, are you tired?
kind of.
No wonder. All right. Okay. Time is up. Maybe I just suggest that you rest. It's okay lah. It's Tuesday.
Oh.
It'll be a long day. Tomorrow, remember to rest, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see you fresh on Sunday, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, still not bad today, yeah? All right, see you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So, Ainesh, which quadrant?
Quadrant 2.
How do you know?
Because it's either quadrant 2 or quadrant 3. I thought it was 0 degrees to 270 degrees. That's why I was confused. But it's
Right.
and there's only one that's positive. So.
I mean, why do you choose quadrant 2 then?
Quadrant 2 is the only quadrant where sign is positive.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so I'll leave this to you, and I will see you on Sunday. Yeah,
Oh,
for
yeah,
exam
meeting. Oh,
preparation.
okay. Sorry.
Yeah, for exam preparation. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, sure.
Good
See you
job.
on Sunday. Bye. Have a good night.
You too.
Hi, Amy.